Hey guys, it's Valentina, your local Argentinian Spanish tutor. Welcome back to another video on Argentinian slang. Let me get my mate ready and I'll tell you everything that you need to know to sound like a true native Argentine. Let's do this! Okay, and now that I have my mate ready, let's get on with the video. Like I've said before, Spanish is different in every country, and Argentina is no exception to the rule. But what makes Argentinian Spanish so unique and so rich? Well, our strong accent is really characteristic. Also, the endless list of slang words that we use every day. Okay, so for this first part, let's talk about the vos subject. As I'm sure you already know, the subject you in Spanish translates to tú, right? Well, us Argentines would kind of disagree. Even though we're totally capable of understanding the verb conjugations associated to the tú subject, in Argentina we exclusively use vos. So people first started using vos in the 4th century when referring to Roman emperors with extreme respect. But by the 1800s, the subject vos had practically disappeared, along with its initial meaning of authority, and it even turned into something a bit more disrespectful. So most Latin American countries followed European footsteps, translating you to tú. But Argentina didn't, because Argentina had a far more tight relationship with Spain, which made it really difficult to drop some traditions, vos included. So we use the subject vos till this day exclusively. So conjugating vos is actually way easier than conjugating tú. The only thing you have to do is you take your infinitive form verb, you drop the R, leave the respective vowel, and emphasize that vowel. But don't worry, the differences between tú and vos only occur in the present indicative and in the imperative. All other conjugations are exactly the same. Also, this is my dog. Tommy. Hi, boy. For this next part on Argentinian slang, I thought I'd bring in a guest that I love very much and that is very familiar with Argentinian slang. So, everybody give a warm welcome to my mom. She's gonna be appearing in 3, 2, 1. Hola, Mom.
Hola.
Did that work? Did that actually work? They're gonna help me teach you some slang words from Argentina that are gonna be very useful for your trip here. Also keep in mind, my mom doesn't speak any English, neither does Tommy. That's a bad joke. So let's start with the first one. Al mango. ¿Qué significa al mango?
Rápido.
Yeah. Full speed. Al mango means full speed, to do something full speed. This next one is valero. Valero para vos?
Cabeza.
Yeah, head. Valero, head. Like, my head hurts, me duele el valero. Okay, let's see. Bancar. Bancar has 2 different meanings, but let's see what she thinks. Bancar. Bancar? ¿Qué pensás de bancar?
Aguantar.
Aguantar, yeah, I would say the same thing. Like, to keep up with someone, and it has 2 meanings because it can be like financially, like to lend someone money, or bancar, like to keep up with someone, you know, like to tolerate someone. Boliche. What do you think boliche?
Es lugar para ir a bailar.
Yeah, like the club. To go out to the club, vamos al boliche. Bondi.
Colectivo.
Colectivo, the bus. The bus. I love this one. This one we use a lot. Boludo. Are we allowed to curse? Boludo.
Tonto.
Yeah, like dumb, but it's like depende del el énfasis que le pongas, right? Like it depends on how you say it. You can say boludo, say boludo. There's the difference. Chocho or chocha.
Contento, contenta.
Yeah, to be really happy, to be content, estoy chocho or estoy chocha. Empedarse.
Tomar alcohol mucho.
To drink a lot of buzz, like to get drunk. To get drunk. Let's see, morfi.
Comida.
Morfi, food, and morfar,
Comer.
to eat. Morfi, food, and morfar, to eat. Let's see, what else do we have? Ojo, besides meaning eye, what does ojo mean?
Cuidado.
Cuidado, be careful. Ojo, ojito. We use that a lot. Pituco.
Elegante, bien arreglado.
Yeah, like elegant, fancy. Like when someone is pituco, someone is like very aristocratic. stuff like that. Pilcha, I love this one. Pilcha,
Ropa.
ropa, clothes. Como ropa nueva también, ¿no? Como buena ropa.
Sí.
Like good clothes, pilcha. Tirar, which also means to pull, has a different meaning in Spanish. Tirar.
Aguantar.
Yeah, to hang on, to pull through, tirar para adelante. And last one, ciao.
Saludo, me voy.
Adios. Yeah, but we don't say adios, we say ciao. Like in Italian, right? Viene del italiano, ciao.
Chao.
Ciao. That's it for the slang list. You wanna add something? Ruff. Okay, thanks mom, muchas gracias.
Nada.
Hey guys, and that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned about Argentinian culture. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as all our other social media. Make sure to check out OCTB. You can learn Spanish from people who have been speaking Spanish their whole lives. Also, our first class is for free, so you get to test the platform, see if it works for you and if it fits you well. That's a win-win. I'll see you soon. I'm gonna go drink my mate because it's almost 6 p.m. so that's mate time. Again. Y nos vemos pronto. Bye bye.